and welcome to my YouTube channel, that is the Sahil Tech. In my previous videos I have discussed about the artificial intelligence and blockchain, but in today's video I am going to discuss about what is quantum computing, a, month, a monthly tech explainer series about the technology shaping our world today from the garage. Computer science is about to make a quantum leap. Thanks to a radically different kind of architecture, computers of the future will be able to carry out feats that are impossible on today's machines. The technology is called quantum computing, and while it's a little hard to wrap your head around how it works, experts say it could transform information technology in a profound way by enabling new form of computation such as rapidly cracking unbreakable codes, modeling drug interactions at the molecular level, and modeling complex investments. In the decades ahead, it could become a $1 trillion industry, and some heavyweights are already planning to take their share, including Microsoft, Google, IBM, and Honeywell. China too wants a place at the table and has reportedly committed billions to developing its own application. How it works. Today, digital processors make calculations and store data using electronic bits that are either 1 or 0, but the quantum computing, there's another possibility. Back in the 1920s, physicists realized that particles like electrons or protons can exist in a conditions called superposition, where they can exist in multiple states, whereas a toy top, for example, can spin in one direction or the other. An electron can potentially do both at the same time. A quantum bit or qubit takes advantage of the principle, so can be both a or a 0 simultaneously. What's more, two or more particles could be entangled so that their states were related to one another, so that observing one would instantly identify the state of the other, no matter how far away. Einstein was famously flummoxed by the idea, called it spooky action at a distance. Together, supervision and entangled allows qubits to carry out an entirely new type of computation because they operate on very different principles that conventional computers. You compare their performance by the speed with which they solve problems. In certain repetitive tasks today, quantum computers are already more than 100 million times faster than the world's most powerful supercomputers. The AHA movement, a challenge has been made to a machine that can be take advantage of quantum machines because these operate properties are very small scales and superpositions is extremely fragile. It was not until 1998 that scientists were able to make a functioning quantum computers with just two qubits. Today, researchers are racing to build machines that incorporate ever greater number of qubits. The largest currently in exist has 127, but plan already a vote of room-sized quantum computers made of 0 million qubits. Theorists believe that quantum computers will be able to swift carry out certain kind of calculations that would take billions of years on a conventional computer, demonstrating practical applications for that will take a little time. Though for now, quantum computers are bulky, expensive, and very limited in the number of qubits that can be coherently operated together. But researcher dollars contribute to flow. Quantum computing will eventually become commonplace. How it might change the world. One of the tasks that impossible for today computer but easy for quantum computer is figuring out what number you need to multiply together in order to make any given readily big number, a process called prime fractionalization the matter because fractionalization is what underlying digital cryptocurrency. One computer arrives in force. Another exciting frontier will be quantum artificial intelligence. As a machine learning algorithm is trained, it sifts through vast amounts of data, so a quantum computer ability to process multiple possibilities at once might allow it to reach unprecedented levels of performances. So with this I will end up my today video. See you in my next video with new content, and I will try to come up with new type of content new to you, to the audience as well, and leave your feedback in the comment section that we modify our videos and content according to your feedback. Thank you very much. See you. Stay blessed, stay happy. See you in my next video.